Greetings, Panther. Welcome back. As I've promised you guys that I'm going to come back, and I am back today, guys. I'm back. So I missed you guys too much. So we're going to start with this game today. As I told you guys, Siren Spell is chowing our money. So we're going to start with Disco. Is it Disco Beats? So I'm gonna be playing it with 360, but let me increase. I want to play it with 4 rand. Okay, it's fine. Let's try it with 5 rand 40. Our balance here is 300 rand in our balance. So let's try it with 540. I will try to spin it, but if we are not getting anything, I will reduce my money. So let's start and see if we can get this game, or if we can get this scatter, or if it can pace us. So I hope we're going to make some cash here, guys. Let me also reduce. Okay, I thought we are getting something. Okay, guys, let me reduce to 360. I don't want to make a mistake today. I want to make sure that I'm making some cash here. I want to go out with something. Okay, it's 7 rand. I stopped the music, guys, because I'm not sure about this music, if it's legit. Yes, finally we got the future, guys. Let's spin the wheel. Let's see what happens when we spin a wheel. When we spin this wheel, let me see. Let me try, guys, to I'm playing it on Hollywood Bet, guys, so don't be surprised. Okay, we got 3. Oh, why not grand? We wanted the grand. Grand is 4,000, guys. If we get the grand, what's that? 18, 28. I want a grand. Can I get my grand, guys? I want my grand now. 2 spins left. Yeah. Oh, what's that? Yes. I was going to take my 4k last spin. Guys, no, I was going to take my 4 grand there. You have 132 rand. Okay, so far I cannot say I'm happy, but I need a serious money, guys. Yes, this is a big win, guys. Big win. We are talking about money. This is a big win. Let's see how much. Mega win. We are going to take. We are back. I'm back to take what belongs to me here. I'm sick and tired of losing a 192. Okay, I will just gonna appreciate that. Oh, why not? Okay, guys. Oh, spin the wheel. Yes, future tricked again. This is a future tricked. The future is tricked. So let's see what is going to happen here in this bonus. I want my grand. Give me what I belong, guys. What I deserve, not what I belong. I want my grand. No. Can I get this grand? 4,000. Can they just give me 4k? It's a light spin. Okay, it's fine. We're gonna get 3 more. These 3 more. I want my grand, guys. My grand, 88. How much is 88? Okay. $28, I think it's 11 rand. I'm already counting now, around 11. My last spin for my grand. Okay, I couldn't get my grand prize. 76 rand. I'm gonna take that in my pocket. I will take it. All right. I don't know which one is the highest symbol paying here. Okay, we are playing with 3 rand 60, guys. We couldn't get it. All right, guys, I'm gonna end here today. So thank you guys for watching, and then I stopped it with a profit of 100 rand. So thank you guys for watching.